Well, hello, and welcome back to another incredible episode of Thrift Twists, the place where we go into our favorite secondhand shops on the hunt for inspiration and then head back home and make something very beautiful. I can't wait to see what we're going to make today. Let's go. Okay, wait now. Wait. That is so dang cute. That's only 99 cents, you guys. Tell me that is not cute. It is a wired piece. It's got its little bucket down there. Super, super cute. I love stuff like that for the 99 cents because then I feel like I'm really thrifting smart, right? What about these? Now, as usual, they've got the music up in here. You guys know how we do it. It looks like it's a set of two kind of like little plate dealers. Oh, these are metal too. Look at that. $1.99. That one's cute, but check this one out. Somebody kind of tried to see what was going on underneath there, and I understand that because those are very cute, and that is $1.99. Let's see what else we can find, you guys. Okay, for a second, let's talk about this. Does anybody need just one delicious clog? Does anybody need one delicious clog? It is $3.99, and I need to know where the other clog is at. It looks like it's a well-worn, well-made clog as well. Let me know what you guys would do with this as a DIY. Some things that come to mind for me, like couldn't we just turn this into a planter? Do some like really colorful paint job on it? Like my girl Kay from At Home with Kay, she's a great painter. I bet she could do all sorts of like pretty flowers on this and then plant something. I think that would be a really cool flip with that. Let's see what else we can find. Hey, you guys, check this out. Is this vase not the cutest thing that we have ever seen? I always keep my eyes out, as you guys know, for things that have a beautiful shape to them. And I don't just love the shape to this. That's what's going on inside. I love the color, too. I do. I'm wondering if maybe we can use this as inspiration for a piece. Let's just see how much it is. Oh, no. It is $6.99, but it sounds like somebody originally bought it from Lazy Boy for $70. That is crazy to me, crazy. But I do love that vase, but at no point in time would I have given them $70 for it. And right now, it's iffy as to if I would give them $7. But guess what else I see over here? I always try to keep my eyes open for the budget greenery. Now, for $3.99, that is a steal for this. First off, the vase, she's heavy. But look at that. We could easily do a little something, change that bottom base. This is just a perfect piece of greenery, and you would be paying $3.99 for that by itself. So I honestly think that this is actually a really good deal. I love pieces like this. That is, you would not find anything like this for that price anywhere else. What is going on with this turtle? Now, you guys know I am over here finding the weirdest of things. He's basically like a stone turtle for $4.99. I'm not sure if that's a planter or what. Maybe he used to have something down there in him, but I thought that was really interesting. Okay. What is this? I need to know. Does that have a light? I'm sorry, you guys. I'm like looking because I was trying to figure out what that is. But is this not the coolest thing? I have to stay up to the side so I'm not in the mirror. But that is for $4.99. Let me get a better look at this. But this is just such an interesting piece. All sorts of things are coming to the mind in terms of how this could be used. Now, it's obviously got kind of this beautiful kind of woodish type set up to it, but I definitely think that we could do some spray paint or something to change that up. Maybe, you guys, we're gonna have to snatch that. Okay, now this is the sort of thing I really like. Oh, she's very lightweight. Let me show you guys. Is that not the coolest thing? Just as an easy, quick piece of thrifted wall art that you don't have to do anything spectacular to, and that would fit into a variety of decor. Office, bedroom, living room, porch, whatever. Just a really cute piece. And then let's see what they're trying to get for her. You guys know I'm doing this one-handed Nancy over here. $2.99 for this piece. I think that is worth it. And honestly, I really love the way the frame is. I really do. Let me know if you guys are loving that as well. Still over here in the frames, you guys, but look at this one. I kind of like this kind of, almost, what is this? Like, I don't know how to explain it. Corrugated type look. Is that what we're calling that? Is really cute. The color is cute. And it almost looks like they tried to do some sort of distress with the paint color. So it is a very, very nice frame. Let's see. It's a hefty frame. And they're trying to get $2.99 for it. Not bad. Not bad. Let me put that back. I think this is really, really cute. I could definitely see it's the wrong season, but I could definitely see this being like a winter season, moving towards like a Christmas kind of DIY situation. Put a nice little, you know, scene or something in there. That would be really, really cute. Let's see if we can find anything else. Okay, you guys, is it just me, or do you love these like prints like this, these wave prints? I really, really think these are very, very cool whenever I see them. This is, again, a neutral type piece that I feel like can kind of go anywhere. Gives a really sweet vibe. $3.99 on that. I love that. I love that piece. Let me see if we can find... Oh, guess what, you guys? I found something already. Don't mean to move you too fast, but check this out. Wait till I get up. Wait till I get up. It's a cat. Isn't that cool? It's this very, very colorful kind of pottery style cat. It also has like a little texture on it. I'm loving that. Let's turn her around. Oh my goodness. Is that not beautiful? Perfect for a garden or your living room or anything like that. Oh, she is pricey. She is pricey. She is $51 basically. Very, very pricey, but very, very beautiful. Beautiful piece. Trying to see if I could get it all in there, but yeah, super, super cute. So this is the piece that we picked as our inspiration. Let's head home and see what we come up with. So we came home with this beautiful piece. I'm not sure if it's vintage or not, but we are going to do a little bit to update it. So the very first thing you're going to see me do is flip her over and get that mirror out, and then wait till you guys see what I'm going to do with this mirror. So of course, you guys know that I love stencils. I've been using a lot of them recently, and I had a few left over from that pack that I used to make that lamp a few weeks back. So I'm gonna grab one of those, and I am going to try an entirely different stencil technique. Now, one of the biggest issues that we have with stencils is they raise up and we don't get a clean stencil line. I am going to try to combat that by using a school glue stick. Now, these come on purple, but they dry perfectly clear, and I'm gonna put that on the back of my stencil and then lay that down on my mirror to kind of create that tight seal, if you will, that will hopefully allow me to spray paint this and have my design be pretty crisp. Let's see if it works. I would say that this is a very good technique, and I will be utilizing this again the next time I stencil. So to modernize this piece, I am going to be painting everything black, right? You guys saw what I did with the stencil. Now I'm going to be painting the main piece entirely black. So now I am loving the way that this is starting to come together. That black is making it pop, and that stencil that we put on the mirror has definitely updated this, but I felt like it needed one last thing, and that was a pop of greenery. So you're gonna see me put a little bit of hot glue inside that. I don't know what was supposed to be there, maybe a candle, but I'm gonna put a little hot glue in there, and then I'm gonna stick a beautiful piece of greenery in there. And then this piece is gonna be done. This piece and its transformation is everything to me. I took something that felt kind of a little bit dated and turned it into something very modern and almost kind of high-end looking. Again, the original piece that we started with was $5, and then everything else I used was something I already had in my stash. But let me know if you guys are loving this piece as well.